This is actually what works. You might come on YouTube and you will hear different people saying one thing or the other, but if you do not do some particular things, trust me, it will still not work for you. The first thing is YouTube wants people to remain on its platform. Why? Because YouTube is also getting revenue from it. If people are not on YouTube platform, there will be no need for them to run ads on people's videos. And so YouTube too will be lacking in some things. Number one thing that you should do is ask yourself, this video that I am actually putting out there, because you are putting in a lot of effort into filming, into editing, into posting. So ask yourself, this video that I'm putting out there, what value is it giving to this person that is watching? Is it beneficial? And it doesn't even matter what your niche is, whether it is tutorial like I'm doing, whether it is vlogs, whether it is comedy, entertainment. Are people actually getting value? Just ask yourself, after you create your video, just look at it that, okay, let's assume I'm a random person from another country watching this video. What do I stand to gain from this particular video? Ask yourself, because it is actually going to help you in your future scriptings for your other videos. Do you understand? In scripting of your future videos, if you ask yourself, is this person gaining something? Let's assume you are into entertainment now. You are doing maybe comedy. The value people are getting from you is they are coming there, they are getting relaxed. Because people want to come there after maybe a hectic day, or after they just want something that will just, ease off the whole stress and burden and all of that. So they come on your video to watch. So the fact that they are getting relaxed, they are able to laugh. If you get someone to laugh, you're actually easing something, relieving them of something, some stress. That's value. If you are someone who does all this, you talk about maybe trending topics or whatever, you are giving value, because value comes in when people can come in and they see that, okay, they are getting updated. If you know that you're someone who talks about all these things, you come and talk about entertainment, give people what is trending at the moment, because they want to stay updated. If you are doing vlogs, for example, now let us look at Ceey Namani. That's one person that I really love, and that's one person that has actually really been helping to inspire me. She doesn't do tutorial videos, she does vlogs, self-development and all of that. I watch her vlogs and I get entertained. At the same time, I learned something. Why? I learned from her organizational skills. I learned from how hardworking she is. I learned from how she even films her videos, how she, puts one or two in place. It is not what I do, but at the same time, I love watching her, because as I'm watching, I'm learning. So if you are vlogging, you are asking yourself, what do people stand to gain from watching me? They don't just want to see you taking your camera to different places in your house. Fine, if you want to take the camera to different places in your house, then you should be showing them, maybe this is something that you use for your interior decor, or this or that, something they can get, how this can benefit them, how you're able to organize your daily activities, how you can get people to be more consistent with doing this or that, or to focus on this or that. Do you understand? That way they are gaining value. Because I know some people have actually come to ask me about, okay, what if I'm a vlogger? What if I'm this? I'm a news channel. Do you understand? So if you're a news channel, give them trending things, keep them updated. That's value. If you are talking about finance, give them something that will actually work. And that means it's not just that you go and hear it from somewhere and you come and give them. No, you give them something that has worked for you, so that there is a way you talk out of experience that would make your audience to easily connect with you, other than when you've just gone to research or hear it from somewhere. You're just coming to just tell them what to do. You're not showing them how to do it. Talk based on what you have done for your own self that is now giving you that money. That way you'll be able to give them the exact strategy they should follow that would help them. You are giving value. And if they even ask you one question or the other, you from that, because you're already experienced, you can even from that question give them another video. You're adding content to your channel by so doing. So you're killing two birds with one stone. Do you understand? So in all that you are doing, value is key, because you can use keywords, you can optimize your videos, you can do this, you can do that, and get people to your channel. But as you're getting them, the same way they are rushing in, they are rushing out, because it's not giving them value. Do you understand? So it is key for all of your videos. Ensure that people are learning something. Watch your video and ask yourself, or even before you create that video, script it and ask yourself, what exactly does this person stand to gain by watching this particular video? Then you can put it into your video. Just attach it so that as they are enjoying, they are also learning. Now, the second thing I'm going to talk about is consistency. Number one reason you need to be consistent is, and before that, let me just get this out of the way. Consistency does not mean uploading every day. I said it in my live stream yesterday. Consistency does not mean uploading every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or uploading 2, 3, 10 videos a day. But no. If you choose that, I want to be uploading on Mondays and Thursdays, you know that every Monday and Thursday, your video will be going live. That is being consistent. Yes. If it is even once in a week, I remember then this particular lady's channel. What's her name? What's her name? That's someone who I love to watch. Jesus Christ. Good. Courtesy. If you know Courtesy, Courtesy EO. Ah. When she first started uploading on YouTube, at the time she was doing Saturday, 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 Saturday. So we were always looking forward to her Saturday video. In fact, personally, I was always looking forward to her Saturday videos. Do you understand? That is being consistent. Because number one, it will help people to know when to expect you. It will help your viewers or your subscribers to know when to expect your video. Some people would actually prepare for that time. That's why you see sometimes some people will even come and say, first to comment, first to do this, first to do that. So it helps people to be able to prepare themselves ahead of time. Like, keep them expecting that, okay, this person's video is going to go up on this day by this particular time. Now, the second reason consistency is good is it can also help you when you want to schedule your videos. Let's assume you want to bulk film. When I mean bulk film, that means maybe you want to film 5 videos at a time. Okay, so like for example, now this particular video is the second video I'm filming today. I already filmed one video before this. Do you understand? And as I film that video, I can easily edit and upload ahead of time and schedule ahead of time. So it's, if you have a particular time in mind that you know that this is when you post your videos, it's going to help your scheduling. So you know that, okay, I'm filming this one today, but I'm going to edit and schedule for so day. So that way it will even help you yourself to be more consistent. So you can film anytime you are less busy, edit without having to overwhelm yourself with so much work at a time. And then you are uploading, you are scheduling. So and once it gets to the time that your video is supposed to go live, even without you being there, it will go live. Now, the third thing that you're supposed to do is your niche. It is important. Some people might just tell you, just do you. Just do what makes you happy. Yes, I'll tell you, do what makes you happy, because the major ingredient in this YouTube soup is passion. So you need to do what makes you happy, what you are comfortable with, because you have to show up for a long time. It's a long-term journey. But know exactly what it is that you're passionate about and focus on just that thing. If you want to have another channel, it is very fine. You can open up another channel, because you can actually have, personally, yes, I have different channels. Did I say different channels? I have different passions. Okay, it's not just about teaching. I love teaching. There are other things that I love to do too. So I can decide to create another channel for that. But because I want this particular channel to be organized, I decided to just focus on teaching people how to grow on YouTube. And so that is me niching down. So you can decide to pick one thing and focus that one thing on that one channel. Then you can create another channel. If you feel like you have the time, create another channel and focus on something else. You are niching down that way. And it is possible to actually put two topics together, two related topics together. For example, if you look at Kamsi's channel, I love Kamsi. I really love her. In fact, I love her to the extent that I've dreamt of meeting her, not once, not twice. Do you understand? So I really love her. She does vlogs, right? She also does beauty. But the way she does her vlog is also related to her beauty. Please, you can just go ahead and watch her channel. She did not tell me anything about this. I've never met her before, but I really wish to meet her. But yes, this is what she does. In her vlogs, she incorporates her beauty thing. She also incorporates sort of her personal development thing, because you are definitely gaining as you're watching. I always get inspired whenever I watch her vlogs. You can also do that. Then, of course, she comes sometimes and does sit down videos where she just talks to us about personal growth and development and all of that. Do you understand? So you can actually use two related topics in your one niche. Another reason niching down is good is it is going to help your channel stay organized. And one thing that you can also do, or should I just film that? I think I'll just film that on another video. But just niche down, make your channel organized, make people come in and easily be able to tell what you do. See, there are some of my viewers channels that I actually go to check. People that still have maybe just very small subscribers, I actually go ahead to check their channels. and I see a lot of things that are not working, a lot of things that you're doing that are not working. You want that if this random person just stumbles upon your channel, they can easily tell what you do by just scrolling through maybe your first 5 videos, your first 10 videos. They can easily tell what you do on your channel. That's the reason it is good for you to niche down. So if you've not niched down on your channel, please do it. Let it be very organized. I'm going to create a video of how you can actually rebrand your channel, everything wise. You remember whatever it is that I have taught you, I have learned, or that is working for me, I'll come here and teach you. So please, if you haven't liked this video at this point, please do well to give it a thumbs up now, and also subscribe to join this family, because you always get good content. And you can also turn on your post notifications so that you always get my videos as soon as I upload them. You'll be the first person to watch. I wish you success, okay, on your channels. If you've not watched any of these videos here, trust me, they are good videos that would help to promote your channel. I wish you success on your channels. I will see you on my other videos and my live streams too. If you've not been joining my live streams, start joining. All right, thank you very much. Bye.